In water and wastewater management, the accurate flow meter is very important. Selecting the right flow meter for a particular application is the key to success, while selecting the wrong one creates a trouble. The electromagnetic flow meter and ultrasonic flow meter are most popular in the water industry. So let's compare both the flow meters. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you. First of all, we will talk about the operating principle of both the flow meters. In electromagnetic flow meters, it uses Faraday's law, which says that a voltage will be induced in a conductor when it moves in a magnetic field. The induced voltage is directly proportional to the velocity of conductor. The conductive fluid passing through the flow meter work as a conductor, and the magnetic field is generated by flow tube of flow meter. The induced voltage is sensed by the sensing electrodes fitted inside the flow tube. In ultrasonic flow meter, the flow meter's transceiver transmits the sound waves which are bounced back by the pipe towards the other transceiver in the downstream. There may be two conditions in the pipe, like no flow and flow condition. In no flow condition, the frequencies of transmitted and received waves are same. In flow condition, the reflected waves frequencies are dissimilar due to the Doppler effect. This frequency variation is directly proportional to the velocity of fluid flowing into the pipe. Let us see the applications of electromagnetic and ultrasonic flow meter. Both the flow meter can be used for water and wastewater applications, including measurement of sludge, slurries and some chemical. The electromagnetic flow meter can accurately measure the conductive fluids like drinking water and water having solids like debris, etc. The electromagnetic flow meter can also measure flow going up into the vertical direction. The electromagnetic flow meter works perfectly if there is a rapid change in the flow. The measurement performance of electromagnetic flow meter is not affected by the temperature, pressure or viscosity of fluid. In case of ultrasonic flow meters, these flow meters can measure the flow of both conductive and non-conductive fluids. These flow meters are suitable for oil and gas, pharmaceutical, metals and mining applications. Both the electromagnetic and ultrasonic flow meters are having some limitations. The electromagnetic flow meters are not suitable for non-conductive fluid measurement. They are unable to measure hydrocarbons, steam and gases due to their low conductivity. They require a pipe full of flowing fluid. The pipe must be normally grounded in case of electromagnetic flow meter. The electromagnetic flow meter required a straight length of 5D in upstream and 3D in downstream. Now let's see the limitations of ultrasonic flow meter. The corrosion, pitting or biofilm buildup on the pipe can cause the problems. They cannot measure cement or concrete pipes once they are rusted. The ultrasonic flow meter requires straight length of 5D in upstream and 20D in downstream. The ultrasonic flow meters are more expensive as compared to electromagnetic flow meters. Let us see the advantages of electromagnetic and ultrasonic flow meters. In case of electromagnetic flow meters, they have no moving parts, so very less maintenance is required. The electromagnetic flow meters have high accuracy, 0.1% to 5%. The flow measurement of electromagnetic flow meter is not affected by the viscosity, specific gravity, temperature and pressure of fluid. There is no pressure drop if installed flow meter is same size as pipe size. Let us see some advantages of ultrasonic flow meter. The installation cost of these flow meters is very low. They can be clamped on existing piping and no need to shut down the process or no need to alter the piping. The ultrasonic flow meters does not create any pressure drop across the pipe. They can measure the bidirectional flow. Ultrasonic flow meters are very appropriate for huge quantity flow measurement. There is no direct contact to the process fluid in case of ultrasonic flow meters. The transit type ultrasonic flow meters can be used as portable flow meter because they can be installed or removed without shutting down the process. Accuracy. The magnetic flow meters are highly accurate. The inaccuracies of these flow meters are plus minus 5% of flow rate or even less. The inaccuracies in transit time flow meters may be up to plus minus 1 to 2% of flow rate. Available sizes. The electromagnetic flow meters are available for pipe diameter of ½ inch to 120-inch sizes. The ultrasonic flow meters are available in larger pipe size. They are available for pipe diameter of ½ inch to 200-inch. And finally, we'll discuss about the cost of both the flow meters. The electromagnetic flow meters are cost effective for smaller diameter and costlier for larger diameter, while the ultrasonic flow meters are costlier for smaller diameter and more cost effective for larger diameter.